Most self-improvement fails for one reason. You collect ideas, but you never integrate them. So they sit on a shelf and nothing changes. This is the finale of a 10-week system. Today, I'm showing you how 9 separate skills become one automatic way of operating. Here's the trap almost everyone falls into. You learn something powerful. You nod. You feel inspired for a day. And then it sits next to the last 12 things that inspired you. Knowledge that never gets integrated isn't an asset. It's weight. So this finale isn't a 10th lesson. It's about taking everything from this season and turning it into one way of operating. Across this season, we built 9 things. Resilience as intelligence, the armor you built to survive. Contrarian confidence, AI-enhanced operations, energy optimization, the influence equation, leadership under fire, quantum growth, and the legacy launchpad. Here's what matters. None of those work in isolation. Your resilience feeds your confidence. Your confidence makes your influence real instead of forced. Your energy management lets you lead under fire without burning out. Your AI leverage frees up the capacity to think about legacy at all. Pull one piece out, the others get weaker. Run them together, they compound. That's what operational resilience actually is. Not 9 skills, but one integrated way of moving through pressure. So, how do you integrate it? 3 steps. Step 1. Name your weakest link. A system is only as strong as its weakest part. Out of those 9, which one is your gap right now? Not what you're best at. The one that, if it failed under pressure, would take everything else down. Name it. That's where your next 30 days go. Step 2. Build one daily keystone habit. You don't integrate 9 things by working on 9 things. You find the one small daily action that touches the most modules at once. For a lot of people, that's a 5-minute morning review. Check energy, set one intention, name the day's hardest moment in advance. One habit pulls the whole system into your day. Step 3. Run a weekly debrief. This is the military piece, and it's what makes it stick. Once a week, 10 minutes, 3 questions. What worked? What didn't? What do I adjust? The debrief turns experience into a system. Without it, you repeat the same week. With it, every week makes you sharper. Here's what I most want you to take from this season. The goal was never to memorize 9 modules. It was to become someone who operates differently. Someone who, when the setback comes, and it will, doesn't collapse, doesn't armor up, doesn't freeze. Someone who recognizes, reframes, and redeploys automatically. Because it's not a technique anymore. It's who you are. That's integration. The full integrated system is the Operational Resilience Method. All 9 modules. Link in the description. Not sure where you stand? Take the free Operational Resilience Assessment. 3 minutes, and it shows you your weakest link. I'm taking a short break to plan what's next. Subscribe so you're here when we're back.